Hey people, so there is this movie called Shakuntala Devi that's on Amazon Prime, and it is such an awesome film. Yeah, it's like literally Vidya Balan does it again. I mean, she's able to, uh, I mean, uh, Shakuntala Devi comes alive for us in the film, and Sanya Malhotra plays her daughter, and with Amit Saad playing the daughter's husband, and there's a Bengali actor who's playing Vidya Balan's husband. Bengali. Shakuntala Devi married a Bengali gentleman, and she was a single mom, and that's what it's all about. The film you would think is basically only about maths and about how her rise to fame, but no, yeah, it gives us an insight into the person that Shakuntala Devi was, and it's just amazing. So I can't recommend it enough, people. It's called Shakuntala Devi. It's on Amazon Prime, and y'all should watch it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.